Guys, Bitcoin is about to move really big, and in exactly 2 days we're going to see a massive move for Bitcoin, which will finally break us out of this boring price range we've been trading in for more than a month. So what am I talking about? Let me quickly show you guys this. If I show you guys this right here, we can see that in 2 days and 8 hours we have the FOMC meeting. In 2 days and 8 hours, and we all know that the FOMC meeting is the most important event you can have for the markets. This will cause a lot of volatility, and especially for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has not moved for more than a month, and we're finally going to see a breakout of this price range we've been trading in for so long right now. We can see we're getting a 99.8% chance of a 25 base point rate hike, and no, this is not bearish at all. We have already expected this. Everyone was already expecting a 25 base point rate hike. They said it in the last meeting that they were probably going to raise hikes 1 or 2 more times, so this is completely normal, and we shouldn't be really worried about this. But if we get a 0 base point rate hike, which is basically impossible, then we will pump like crazy. Currently not expecting that. However, a 25 base point rate hike will also just send us like crazy. And what is even more important is the meeting we get after FOMC. We first get a rate hike decision, and after that we're going to get, of course, Jerome Powell, which is going to speak for us. He is going to tell how the next few months are going to be, what we can expect, more rate hikes or not, and how the markets are currently looking. And that is where actually the most volatility will come into play. So we can right now see that we are still trading in the same range since my last video, which was 3 days ago, and this range is literally a $500 price range. We can see we tried to break out 1 or 2 times. It's less than a 1% range. It's really boring. We tried to break out 2 times right here, as you guys can see. And we tried to break out 2 times, but immediately got rejected, immediately back into the green box. And it seems like we're right now going for another retest of the bottom of this green box. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, I'm still quite bearish on Bitcoin. I'm not expecting a crazy crash in the FOMC meeting, but the coming hours and days after the FOMC meeting, I think we're finally going to break down of this massive green box we have right here, of this massive support. We have been trading on this support line for too long right now, and it will make a lot more sense if this support line finally gets broken, send us lower to our next area of support, which is pretty close already. It's at 28,400, so that's not going to be a massive move, and then we're finally going to see a pump back up. So yeah, that's currently still my game plan, because the more we retest this support, the weaker it gets. We're not even capable of breaking anywhere to the upside, because at 30,300 we just keep getting rejected. Yeah, so bulls can't break to the upside. Bears are pushing the price down and down. Support gets weaker and weaker. So yeah, 28,400 now will make a lot of sense. I would still not go for a short position. I would only go for a short position if we get a clear 1 or 4 hour candle outside of this green box with a retest on the retest you want to short, of course, sorry, and then you can close your position around here. That could be a pretty good trading opportunity. What on earth just happened here? Anyway, that is currently what I am predicting for Bitcoin, what I'm currently expecting for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's why I didn't even make a video for so long. It's just straight up nothing happening for Bitcoin. We can see how boring it is. Finally, we are moving a little bit again. So yeah, that being said, make sure to go to the first link in the description, because if you sign up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% of fees, which is really nice. You can start trading with that, and you will be more profitable trading. Secondly, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will update you guys if something important happens for the Bitcoin price.